Be the type of person you want to meet. You might have heard this quote several times. You just come across some people who just walk into the room and there is absolute silence. They have certain kind of charismatic aura or can say energy around them. They have huge confidence and enthusiasm which makes them more attractive. We love how they talk, their gestures, their etiquettes and mannerisms. So to know about the 5 personality development traits that you can inculcate in your life and bring some amazing changes in your personality, stay tuned to the end of the video. Let's get started. So the first point is as simple as knowing your true self. You may feel like, what? I know myself better than anyone. Yes, there is only one you. This journey starts from loving yourself, respecting your values, your beliefs and your flaws. Sometimes we try to be perfectionist, might be to impress others, but no, there is nothing called as perfectionism in this world. Be fearless and be you. The more you try to hide your flaws from the society, the more you are running away from the people and yourself. Learn to say no. Whatever is not possible from your end, learn to say no, you can't. The more you are transparent, it is good for you as well as others who know you. It will be helpful for you to be more confident about yourself and knowing your true self. That will be your first step towards having a charismatic personality. Focus on your positive side and enhance it. The second important trait is having an opinion. A lot of men and women hesitate on putting out their opinion. Mostly women. This attitude of women run into their personal and professional life. Sometimes we just nod our heads and say yes for everything, though we have difference of opinion. And I know a lot of you can't vouch for it. If you want people to respect you and have an influence, then you have to raise your voice and speak about your opinion, irrespective of person in front of you agrees or no. Be fearless. There is nothing wrong in having an opinion. If you feel your thoughts are being ignored or someone is not allowing you to talk, then you can use some phrases as simple as excuse me, or just a second, I would like to finish my thought, or may I speak? You need not be submissive for others' thoughts nor dominant. You will feel more confident and people will respect you for raising your voice and sharing about your thoughts and opinions. The third point is be social. You might be the person who is an introvert and hates to go out and or interact with anyone. You should overcome your insecurities and stop avoiding any social interactions. You should go out and look for opportunities, interact with as many people as possible, and by doing that you will feel more confident about yourself and also you'll be improving your general knowledge. You may feel that you're not good looking or you hate talking to new people. Stop being critical on yourself, go out and just look out for new opportunities, go out to parties and initiate a conversation, and I promise you'll have an amazing experience knowing about new people and their life experiences. If you are an extrovert and love gossiping for us, there is a secret tip. While initiating a conversation, call that person by name. Initiating a conversation by taking their name makes them feel good and shows that you are interested in them. You need to talk about their interests and you can talk about some previous conversation you had with that person. That attracts people subconsciously. Make a proper eye contact and give undivided attention to that person. Stop bragging and throwing your own stories while you are having a conversation. It's not all about you, it's about them. Learn to listen. Let them know that you are interested in their conversation. You can say like, oh, okay, that's nice. That's amazing. Really? The second important tip in being social is use voice modulations. Voice modulation has really good impact on people that makes them to listen to you more. You can pause for a while and you can start after there is a silence syndrome. It's not always like you need to have a serious conversation. Adding some humor to your talks in a witty way makes people to get more attracted towards you. Allow yourself to be childish at times. People really like to be surrounded by a person who can make them laugh and feel good. Don't force yourself to crack jokes and make fun of yourself, but whenever you do, make sure it is a witty one. Just by being humorous doesn't make your personality complete. At situation, you need to control your temper and handle the situation. If there is any situation where you have difference of opinion with the other person, you need to calm down, try and understand the perspective of the other person and try to communicate with him properly and balance the situation. If you feel the other person is wrong and unable to understand your point of view, then silence is better than anything. Just leave it. Sometimes silence is the best answer and shows your maturity in dealing with situations. On the contrary, if you are wrong, try to admit and apologize. That makes you a better person. The last point, which is very common but still very important, is being confident. Confidence doesn't come if you are hiding behind those failures. You need to learn from your failures and come out with more confidence. Stop comparing yourself with others. Be proud of what you are. However you are, whatever you are, you need to respect yourself, your values, your beliefs, and accept your flaws. If you don't love and respect yourself, don't expect others to do that. The concept of confidence can be put out in inner and outer confidence. However, if you are strong enough, your thoughts and your beliefs, your values are strong, that will show up externally as well. Some external things that show your confidence level is your body language, the way you speak to others, your hand gestures, your mannerisms and etiquettes. Walk with confidence, your chin up and look forward. While having a conversation, make a proper eye contact. Avoid crossed arms or hands in your pocket. One more thing that adds up to the confidence level is communication skills. So communication skills need not be always English. So whatever your language is, make sure you're good at it. Always be surrounded by the positive people who uplift you and motivate you to reach your goals and dreams. The next point is have a good attire. Have a good attire that will increase your confidence level and makes you presentable. So these are the 5 personality development traits that if you inculcate in your life will bring some amazing changes in your personality. If you like this video, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button and a bell icon to get notified about my upcoming videos. See you in the next video.